Jai Hind everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make an invitation on Zoom Cloud Meeting app. So, first of all, you need to download the app and sign in. Once you have signed in, you will see the home page of this app. After signing in, go to the settings menu and create your username. If you want, you can put on the profile photo also, and you can put screen name also. The name which you will put here will only be shown in the meeting. After that, go back and fill all the other formalities which you want in your account. Once this is done, go back again to meet and chat menu and click on schedule option. After clicking on this option, first of all, you will see the heading zone in which the cursor is blinking right now. Click on the heading zone and you can write anything, the desired thing you want. Such as right now I am writing here heading zone. Then you have to select the date in which you want the meeting to be held. Such as if I select the date May 6th. Set from is the time from when you want the meeting to begin. Such as if I set 8 p.m. so that will be regarded as the time when I will want the meeting to be begin. This is written that your Zoom basic plan has a 40-minute time limit on meetings with 3 or more participants. It means that if you have participants above 3 people, then your meeting time would not extend above 40 minutes. And if you have people below 3 people, then you can easily extend the meeting. Now we have inserted from, now we have to insert to. By default there will be a gap of 1.5 hours when you set the from time. If you want, you can decrease or increase the time as per your desired option. Right now I am taking 9:15 as my desired time, and here I set it. Time zone will be taken as India. You do not have to select anything. This is already selected by default. Repeat would be never. If your use personal meeting ID is switched off, then switch it on. Otherwise, your personal meeting ID will not be provided to you. If you want, you can change your password also. That depends on you. This password does not mean anything to your real Google account. This is a temporary password which you can use only for meeting purposes. After the formality is done, these are the meeting options which you can select as per your desire. Host video on when starting. This depends totally upon you. And participant video on when joining means when the participant joins, you want the participant with his video already on. This depends on you. If you want, you can switch it off also. Add to calendar, let it remain switched on, the add to calendar button. If you by mistake forget that what was the time, then add to calendar will automatically remind you the real time when the Zoom meeting has to be started. After this is done, click on done. Then it will type scheduling. Once this is done, click on Gmail, add invitees via Gmail. Over here, you don't have to do, instead you just have to copy whatever is written over here. If you want, you can add anything else also. Just double click, select all and copy. Once this is done, you have to close this application. Go on your WhatsApp icon, click on any one icon and then paste the desired icon and send it to it. After this is done, you can join the meeting easily by clicking on the link. Thank you. That's for all.